Psychologica is an integrated approach to development, with survey tools and practitioner materials to help improve effectiveness in individuals, teams, and whole organizations. This video introduces you to the model. It explains how the elements fit together and illustrates how the structure relates to surveys and development tools. Psychologica products are based on many years of extensive research into what is important to people in terms of how we see the world and the behaviours that matter to us. Statistical analysis shows consistently three key factors which underpin the model. The red zone relates to actions and outcomes, the things we actually do and the results we achieve. The blue zone relates to how we do these things, how we figure things out and make sense of the world in reaching decisions. The yellow zone relates to our emotional responses, how our feelings and relationships with others affect us. These factors relate to us as individuals, but also as team members or as parts of an organisation, in terms of our operational effectiveness, our management effectiveness, and our ability to focus on people. We refer to these key capacities as the Psychologica zones. These can be considered in terms of thinking, feeling, and doing, and are always shown as blue, yellow, or red. However, these capacities don't necessarily operate in isolation from one another, and competent behaviour depends on how effectively we combine them. We share our ideas and feelings with others through communication. We turn our ideas into outcomes through processes of organisation. And we flex our behaviours or emotional reactions to achieve better outcomes or manage change through processes of adaptation. These are always shown as green, purple, or orange. So, now we have our key capacities merged to create the principal competency dimensions of the model. Within each of these dimensions, we have a number of skill areas, such as thinking skills, such as rationalizing and analyzing information, learning from it and using it to create new ideas, solve problems and make decisions. Creating plans, managing projects to fulfill these plans and developing processes to ensure that they're fulfilled. Having the various skills and expertise to create tangible outcomes and ensure they're of a certain quality. Being able to comply and adapt to change, cope with stress and initiate change when necessary. Being able to influence others, work with them effectively and demonstrate care and concern. And being able to communicate effectively through expression, through listening and being receptive, and having the ability to interact and create rapport. Central to the model are the personal qualities which determine how these skills and behaviours will manifest in terms of our sense of direction in life, the values that we use to guide our behaviours, and the level of motivation we demonstrate in order to actually get things done. These constitute the various competency and skill dimensions and levels of analysis which appear in the Perspectives 360 reports and also form a basis for all diagnostic tools and materials within the Psychologica range. The Psychologica platform is cloud-based and supports a large database structure of competencies and qualities. This comprises of 9 principal dimensions, 27 competency areas, and 108 skill areas within these, with over 1,000 survey items supporting them. These have been developed specifically for online survey application according to specific sectors, roles and organisational levels, or may be used in customised surveys by qualified users. Please check the Psychologica website and see how the model can be used as a basis for a whole range of tools and products for carrying out individual and organisational surveys and for materials to support coaching and development.